Hi everybody, sorry for the little delay, but to open this one took me a little longer to learn how it works. It's a beautiful cylinder, a wide open keyway, a little used maybe, but it got no big signs of wear or damages or anything. I'm a little confused because here it says Texas Jim. We all know this name. And on the key, here is the beating. Nice, beautiful, I think original key, maybe in USA, LSDA 11798 AR4. It says by Red Eye Lock Sport. I don't know really. Maybe is made by both of them. It sort of hangs up a little and wants just to go clockwise. Sometimes even counterclockwise. But I think it's really smooth. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, I don't think so, but you can see the first pin. You can see, no, you can't see because it's so tiny and I have a not very good camera, but let's go picking. Okay, here we are. Let's see if everything's okay, and we can start using a tapered X wrench because it's so big. All my tensioners were floppy, so starting from the back. It's a very shy lock. You see, I think you can hear these loud clicks. Okay. I think it will be a long fight. Oh, actually not. Oh my god, never been so quick. So, let's do a quick gutting. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. And let's see what's inside. So, we have the key, so we can close it back. Oh, we have a nice clip. Let's see if we can use the 2 screwdriver system. Okay. No, actually is fighting. I don't know if this, no. I definitely need some help from my screwdrivers. Let's hope. I don't have all my tools, so let's hope this will be enough. No, just 1 minute. If I can find something. Oh no, I haven't. It will be a problem here. Houston, we have a problem. No. Actually, no. No. Oh, a quick gutting. No, a quick picking, but a great problem in gutting. I don't have my pliers here. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know if we can do it this tool, improvised tool. Okay. Wish me luck. No. Actually, it's slipping. So. Oh, okay. That was a little fight. So, let's do things very, very, very quick. No, today I'm not very lucky. Don't know why. No way. No, this chain is not working. Let me see if I have another one. Okay. Okay. This is literally going to be a bloody video. Okay. All right, we did it. So you can see the pin. They are all working, and they all have to be picked. Oh, I already see the chambers. Very nice. So let's dump them. Oh, they're really, really nice pins, handmade. Wow, this is really good. Sorry. Wow, these are really, really nice pins. Hope that I can make some nice photos because they are really, really nice. In the chambers, let me see. I don't know if you can see it, but they are all threaded. Wow. Hope to make some good photos because it's really a spectacular lock. Just to grab some of these beauties. Look at this. Look at the serration. Wow. The little lip on the top. A trap. Look at this one. Wow. Very neat serrations. Look at this tiny, tiny lip on the top. Another trap. Wow. Now, let's check. I destroyed the shim. Okay. Let's check here what we have. Okay. Oh, wow. Something in between a serrated spool, I should say. Okay, it's coming. No, it's not. Actually, it's not coming out. Okay, here we have our little spool. I don't wanna damage this lock. Wow. Wow, number 2. What a pin. We need some help to get the springs out because it's a little bit compressed. Another beauty. Look at this one. Wow. I think I will make some more photos because they are really spectacular. Okay, here is the spring number 4. Oh my god, I think I have been very lucky with this lock, very lucky. Okay, number 4, number 5, another spectacular pin. I can't get the spring, so we do it the other way. Maybe it's easier. Sorry. And the last pin, another beauty. Okay, spring number 6. We missed just spring number 5. And here she's very little. Oh my god. What a nice pins. Spectacular. Checking the chambers. I don't feel anything. So it's standard. But these pins are really beautiful. Hope to do them some justice with the photos because they are very difficult pins. Never been so lucky. So this is by Red Eye Locksport, sorry, or Texas Jim. I'm confused. So please let me know something about this lock if you know. Bye bye.